I just made over $900 online from simply listening to music. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this even if you are a beginner with no experience. All you need is your computer or your smartphone. So the first thing you will need to do is go to this website. It's called SoundCloud.com. Scroll down and here you will see some trending songs that the website will suggest for you. You can also download the SoundCloud app into your smartphone. It's available in both Google Play and the App Store, or you can just use your computer, whatever you like. In just a moment I will show you how you can listen to songs just like these and earn $6 for every single song that you listen to. If you just listen to 2 songs, you can earn $12. If it's 4 songs, you can earn $24, and so on. And the good news is there is no limit on how many times you can do this. Now scroll up a bit and create your account. It's very easy. Just hit create an account and you can sign up using your Facebook account, your Google account, or just type your email address. Now after you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. As you can see, each song is on its category, and there is a few categories here too. Listen to any song of these, just click it and click here and it will start playing, and if you scroll down you will see more related songs here. So now that you are familiar with SoundCloud, the next website I want you to go to is musicsmatch.com. Click on top lyrics and here you will find the lyrics of any song that you can imagine. Let me just click on one of these songs and here is the lyrics of the song. Now let us go back and you can also type in the search bar here the name of any song you like, and the website will show you its lyrics. For example, let's go back to SoundCloud and let me search here for a song that I like. This is one of my favorite songs. I'm going to click on this song and I will copy its name. Then I will go back to the website, paste the name here, and the website will show me the lyrics of this song. Here it is. It's as simple as that. You will find here the lyrics of any popular song. Oh, let's even try another one. So I will go back to SoundCloud and I would click on any other song down here. Let's say this one right here. I will copy the name again, paste it to our site, and as you can see, here is the lyrics of this song too. So basically what's going on here is there is people that listen to songs from sites like SoundCloud and other platforms and transcribe these songs into lyrics just like these, and of course these people are getting paid for doing so. Now that you understand how the concept works here, this is the website you are going to use to transcribe music into lyrics and make money. They will pay you $1.50 per minute. That means if a song is 3 minutes long, you will earn $4.50. If a song is 6 minutes long, you will earn $9 per song. You can imagine how much just 10 songs can make you per day, let alone 20 songs per day or 30 songs per day. You don't even have to transcribe these songs yourself manually. If you watch till the end of this video, I will show you a website that will help you transcribe these songs into the lyrics automatically, regardless of the type of the song, so you don't even have to do the work yourself. By the way, all websites that I'm going to show you in this video are completely free. You don't have to spend a dime. Now before I reveal the name of this website and show you how to create your free account and start making money, I want you to first like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to be one of the first people to receive my videos whenever there is a hot new strategy to make money online. And don't forget to comment your country name below. So the name of this website is rev.com. This is a 100% legit website, and if you never heard about it before, they already have Over 700,000 users on this site. As you can see here, there is different types of jobs that are available, like making English closed captions and translating subtitles. You can even make more money per minute here, so if you speak more than one language, this is another opportunity for you. You can even earn $5 to $12 for 1 minute. Anyway, I will leave this part for another video, because I know not all of you speak more than one language. In this video, I will just focus on this audio transcription, which is just doing what we have seen before. Now what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page and click here where it says Become a Freelancer, and as you can see, this website will let you earn money from anywhere and anytime. It doesn't matter if you are sitting on a bus, laying on your couch, or wherever you are, you can still do this job. You can also work here as much or as little as you like. You can choose from hundreds of jobs available on this site. You will never run out of jobs here, and you get paid weekly to your PayPal account. It doesn't get any better than this, and keep on watching, because there is even better news I have for you. Now scroll down a bit and click on Learn More from the transcription category. Now you can register by filling your information here. Type your first name here, your last name, your email here, and choose your country and hit Next. By the way, if you have any problems signing up to this website, just comment your problem below and I'll be happy to help you. Now I'm going to show you another website similar to this one, so that you can even double your earnings, because it's always good to multiply your sources of income. It's not the best idea to rely on one website alone. This website is called gotranscripts.com, where you can also transcribe music here into lyrics and make money. By the way, keep watching till the end, because like I told you, there is still one final website I will show you at the end of the video, which will do all the work for you, so you don't even have to do this transcription work yourself. Now back to Go Transcript website, and here are their prices. As you can see now, before you sign up here, I would suggest you get yourself familiar with the website first. So keep scrolling and read a little bit more about the site. Once you do that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click here where it says Work It. Will take you to this page, and these jobs are available worldwide, as you can see, and here is how much money you should expect to be making from this website. You can earn 60 cents per minute. So if a song is 5 minutes long, it will make you $3. You can also expect to make something between $150 and $1,215 per month from this website alone. There is more information if you scroll down here. Now all you have to do is click on this button right here that says Apply. Now choose English or one of these languages and choose one of these options to sign up. Use your email or even your Google account or your Facebook account, and then follow the steps. So now that you have signed up for both websites, I will show you the final step that you have been waiting for, which is how you can make lyrics like these automatically. So go to this website that is called gotranscribe.com. Click here to create your account, fill up this information here and hit register. Verify your email, then go back to your dashboard and click on Upload. Then double-click this area to upload your song. I will just upload a random song, then click the screen box and the website will do the work for you. But if you want my opinion, I honestly would not recommend using websites like these, because sometimes they make mistakes. I would recommend you type the lyrics by yourself so that it will be 100% correct. It will take you some time, but it's better. Now don't expect to be rich from these websites. You are not going to make thousands of dollars just By typing words on these websites. This is the truth, but don't worry, you can still make some money, so just use these websites to make a few $100s and gain some experience so that you can later use your experience to offer your services on big websites like Fiverr and Upwork and other big platforms to make some good money. There is a lot of competition on these big websites, so you will need some experience first before you can compete with other people there. So make sure you get yourself some experience first from today's websites. Now watch this video next to learn how to make money online for free by watching YouTube videos just like the video you are watching now, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because there is a new fresh method on how to make money online that I will drop next week.